Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the option General Settings. Then let's go to Languages, and here tap on System Languages at the top. So here we've got the list of the languages which were previously applied. As you can see, I've got 4 different languages. So first of all, let me show you how to add the new one. So simply tap on Add a Language here, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me pick, I don't know, maybe Turkish. Just tap on it, just find the language, tap on it, and then choose the region if you can. Your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set the new language as a default one. So it's basically up to you. You can keep current or simply tap on Change. So let me tap on it, and now wait patiently. As you can see, the Turkish language in my case has been immediately applied to this list, and right now it is at the top, it is marked, and the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language is added here, like I've got 5, then you can quickly change them just by tapping on the specific language which you'd like to use, and your device will immediately change it. And again, English is at the top in my case. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit in the right upper corner and mark the languages which you'd like to remove. After marking, tap on Delete in the right upper corner and tap on Remove to confirm. Okay, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.